Yo, that's yes. Double W. That is what I just did.
Double W.
Anyway, so coming back here. Yeah. So, okay, so there are some terminologies and unit symbols that, okay, maybe I have to send it to you, that we have to learn. When I wrote 2 kVA, no, 2 kilowatts. When I wrote 2 kilowatts, I meant 2,000 of watts. 1,000 watts, 1,000, 303. It represents in units and symbols. It's K. What does it? 1,000 K. What does it? And then the W means watt. Instead of saying 2,000 watts, I said 2K W. Do you understand? Okay. So now the solar person says, oh, you will need let's say 1,000 kilowatts of watt, because power is watt. They say, oh, over here, no, I can't build it. Now, I'll build it here. Then the system fails. Why? They forgot to factor in reactive. That's the reason why I told you, say, one of the ways that you can calculate a load for a house is to know the wattage of the entire appliances in the house. And then put them together. But I ended up by telling you that that is not 100% accurate, because you might not know the reactive. In the next section, maybe I will teach you how to know or how to do it accurately, so that anytime at all you are going to do wiring, you know that, oh, this is what it is about. This is what I'm supposed to do. Do you have a question? Ernest, do you have a question? Michelle, open up this question. Like I said,
how I would, like, let's say me, I don't know anything about all this right now. So how am I going to know this amount of power coming in? Okay. Or this amount of watt coming in?
Okay.
So how am I going to know?
Can anybody answer you? Kevin, can you answer you? But who is a Kevin or said, is that Korean or Chinese for
Kevin.
When I want to answer questions, you won't go to
Kevin.
Or maybe who said, this is the total amount of
no,
power.
I cannot read 10 well.
Yes.
How am I going to know this?
Okay. Okay.